Now y'all know we had to follow UCHE's makeup routine. The girlies is doing it and they all hype about it, so I had to see if it was really giving. And as y'all can see, it's really like that, okay? And if you haven't already, you need to try that. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys are new here, my name is Laairemonet, and I love makeup, I love music, I love vlogging, I like doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. If that's what you're into, then make sure you guys stay around, stick around. Let's get into it, okay? I'm so excited, y'all. I miss y'all. Like, I haven't been on here in so long. And UCHE is really that girl, so I already know, like, the makeup's gonna come out good. It's gonna come out. It's just gonna come out. You're gonna see, you're gonna see. So we're going in with the Sephora collection brow gel. I want to emphasize, girl, work with what you have. If you don't have what she has, you still can make something shake, okay? The UK girlies, they're goated with the makeup. Like, us American girls, like, okay, like, I mean, like, it's good, but it's greatness, they got that, and I can't even lie. So for primer today, we're going to be using the Refi Face Primer Glow and Sculpt. This is my first time using this. Oops, took it off. This is my first time using this, so I think you gotta. It's a roll-on, and this is actually quite nice. I feel like if you put this in the fridge, it's gonna feel amazing. It's very like slick, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like, you know, like the e.l.f. Power Grip or the Milk, it kind of sticks. This is not that kind of primer. It's not a tacky primer. So what she does is she takes the NATORI'S Yummy Skin. I actually have the same shade as her. This is the shade 9. Now, this was a blind buy because I really don't know if this is my correct shade, but I do believe in makeup miracles. No, but for real, I think that this is going to work. And then she does. Oh my goodness. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Yeah, she only really did 2, but I kind of want to get the rest of the product off. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Haus Labs Fight foundation in the shade A92. She uses a pretty dense brush. This is the brush I just used for the NATORI'S Yummy Skin. Now she does use, you know, the name brand brushes. Baby, we not doing that over here. At least not yet. We got, this is a brush. I think this is from e.l.f. And a lot of my brushes are from Amazon, and they make stuff work. It works. Why change it if it's not broken? But she does stippling motions, so we're gonna, you know, mimic. Replacement, it looks like she does like that. First shade, she does something like this. Oh my gosh, replacement is just like so different. For contour, we're going to be using the Black Oak Bold foundation stick. I was thinking about the Fenty matchstick, but I like this stuff, but I don't love it. I feel like this blends out 10 times better, and it's like a fraction of the price. If I'm not mistaken, it's a lot cheaper. I think it's like $8, $10, something like that. And I just feel like for the price, it should be more blendable. But I mean, it still does what it needs to do. Okay, I think she went down here with it, down here with it. That should do what it's supposed to do. I did forget a placement or 2. I think she has something right here and right here. of skimming through the video, but I'm watching. I'm gonna link the video, of course. So if you want to try this out yourself, you can see. See when I tell y'all, like the black opal sticks just blends out like a dream. If you move makeup, like move it around, placement is very important. If you're moving it around, you're messing up the work that you just did. Okay, she did that, and then she went up here and she connected it. It was like a semicircle. That's what she said. And then I think she said she went back in. Kinda, it's like a 3. Like a 3. Now, I did not wash this brush before I did this video. So, chill on me, but I have to use this brush. Because this is my favorite concealer brush. It's a BK Beauty brush A506. And she starts here, I believe. Y'all see how this brush just, it blends out beautifully. I think the key really, like I was telling you guys, is just placement and making sure that you're keeping things where you place them. I feel like I'm shape-shifting because it just doesn't look like my face to me. I don't know. Maybe that's just a me thing. So then she goes in with a beauty blender. I'm sorry y'all, I didn't finish that phrase, but so she goes back in with the brush that she laid down her foundation with. Okay, I'm not mad at this. I believe she said she kind of bounces back between her bronzer. She sharpens her contour with whatever's left on the foundation brush. So she actually goes in with her Charlotte Tilbury setting. I was about to say I couldn't find it. It's right in my face. Hey, when that happens. Focus. Can you focus on me? That's when it was supposed to focus, but it didn't. So now she goes in with the pressed powder. She uses the Charlotte Tilbury. Baby, we got Maybelline Fit Me. It's gonna do the same thing. And she sets all the places where she has concealer. I'm doing one.
With somebody?
With? What do you mean with?
Where'd you talk this time?
To the camera.
Oh.
Yes, you did. I'm watching a video.
Oh, she wasn't talking to you. I thought it sounded like you were talking to you.
I don't know. She uses, I don't know what brand it was, but Banana Bread. I'm going to be using Huda Beauty in the color Peach Pie. That. You know, I've been hearing everybody talk about the fragrances on the Huda Beauty. And this is my first time ever noticing the fragrance. Y'all probably can hear Cocoa. My son is downstairs. So now she's going in and setting her contour. I will be using the Bare Radiance contour, True Complexion Contour Powder in the palette medium to dark. And we're gonna go in with the contour. So then she takes a blending brush and she just adds to that. Oh yeah. like when people say do your makeup tutorial, follow makeup tutorials, but you know, you gotta follow them for your features. I really feel that because I feel like this no contour isn't me. It isn't me. Then she takes brush, takes her contour, and then she takes blush. We're gonna use the one size cheek clapper in the color Freaky. Yeah. And she said it's kind of like a semicircle. She like that. Oh snap, that was too much. She takes a powder foundation. We're gonna go back in with the Fit Me, and if this doesn't work or really show up, then we'll go on. Oh no, that's doing it. She's taking it. That was so ugly, but she's taking it. She eats. She doesn't eat. Like, y'all see what I mean? I have to go. I shouldn't go back in with green. I should go back in with powder. I gotta fix her. Okay, now she's coming. She's coming. Yeah. A little bit more sharp. But I still like her. Hold up, y'all. Yo, when y'all need this, y'all need to close your eyes and hold your breath. I'm trying to tell you. Oh wait, I forgot. How did I forget? Because I thought this was so weird. She does her lips first before she touches her eyebrows. At least her lip liner, not the actual full lip. Okay, now to brows. Brows is when it gets really serious, but this normally happens in the beginning of my makeup process, so the stress is normally off. But now I'm kind of stressed. Oh, my back hurts. I'm not gonna worry too much because I feel like once your face, if you do your eyebrows last, once your face is done, I feel like you don't have to do as much because the face is already eating. So. Added beauty marks. Now I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, I added lashes and fixed up my brows a little bit. What else did I fix? Now that's it, I think. Oh yeah, I added a little bit of setting powder. Huda, I baked a little bit. Well, pressed it in. But I needed a little lighter right there, so yeah. Now we're gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Stripped. It's a liquid lip. She loves liquid lips. And then she goes in with the gloss. Okay, y'all, I really just wanted to show y'all outside. This is nighttime when I'm filming this, but do y'all see the material? I'm telling you, that lady knows what she's talking about, okay? Different lighting again. The brows. It's eating, okay? It's eating. Now I gotta take pictures.